Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to play Clash of Clans on Windows 10. First, you will need to choose a reliable Android emulator, which acts like a virtual phone on your computer. This powerful tool lets you run mobile applications seamlessly, offering a much larger display and improved control options. It is a straightforward process, making your favorite strategy game even more enjoyable. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. BlueStacks is a popular choice, known for its user-friendly interface and robust performance. LDPlayer also offers excellent speed and features, especially for gaming. Researching user reviews and testing a couple of options will help you find the best fit for your specific Windows setup. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for the chosen software. After selecting your preferred emulator, visit its official website to download the installer file. This file is usually around 500 to 600 megabytes, so a stable internet connection is recommended. Run the downloaded file and follow the clear on-screen instructions, accepting the terms and conditions. The installation might take a few minutes, depending on your system's speed. Once finished, launch the emulator from your desktop shortcut. Inside the emulator, locate and open the Google Play Store application, just like you would on an Android phone. You will then need to sign in with your Google account credentials to access the app marketplace. Search for Clash of Clans in the search bar, then click the Install button. Once the game downloads, launch it and link your Supercell ID to continue playing with your existing progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.